What's good, you guys? It's your boy Tane, and today I'm going to show you how to be a consistent finisher at the rim like Kyrie Irving. All right, guys, first move is going to be very easy, very simple. You're going to stand under the rim. Look up, make sure you're directly under the rim. And you're going to go right hand layup, left hand layup. That's one. You want to do it 5 times. 1. That's 2. 1. That's 3. You want to do 5 each side. Try not to miss any, but if you do, it's cool. As you get more consistent with it, it'll start becoming easier. So yeah, like I said, right, left, stand under the rim, and don't move from under the rim. It's gonna help you build your consistency. And you can also go from under here. You can do the opposite and reverse it. Right, left, and so on and so forth. Like I said, 5 times, try not to miss, but if you do, it's cool. All right, next drill we're gonna do, it's kind of the same thing, but you're gonna reverse it. You're gonna come from the left side. Finish with your right on the right side. So 1, left side, left hand, that's 2. Oh, my bad, that's 1. You wanna do 5 each side. 1, that's 2. 1, that's 3, and so on and so forth. Like I said, you wanna do 5 on each side to help build that consistency so you can finish at the rim just like Kyrie.
Hang time. Wasn't quite 2 for 1, but it was a finish.
All right, y'all, this is one of my favorite moves, just to help stop the defender from blocking your shot, because they're not really anticipating you to do this, so. Left hand. Finish with the right on the left side. So I'm gonna show you again in slow motion. Dribble left. Stop. Lay with your right. Now I missed that one because I was going slow motion. So I'm gonna speed up a little bit. Because they're anticipating you when you go up with your left on the left side. They're gonna wanna block it. So you come and scoop it, it's gonna be harder for them to block it. Same on the right side. Dribble right hand. Finish with the left hand on the right side. Slow it down. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Right foot, left hand. Now I missed again because I went slow. And that's how you finish at the rim like Kyrie.
That was spectacular. Oh my God.
That's just a few drills I got for you today. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe button, and the post notification bell so you're notified when these videos drop because you don't want to miss them. Until next time, y'all, I'm gone.